Welcome to my channel Sociology 3 and 1. Today we will talk about the word association, that what is association in the subject of sociology. So let's start. Men have diverse needs, desires and interests which demand satisfaction while living in society. There are three ways of fulfilling these needs. Firstly, they may act independently each other in his own way without caring further. This is unsocial with limitation. Secondly, men may seek their ends through conflicts with one another. Finally, men may try to fulfill their ends through cooperation and mutual assistance. This cooperation has a reference to social association. When a group or collection of individuals organize themselves expressly for the purpose of pursuing certain of its interests together on cooperative pursuits, an association is said to be bound. According to Moris Ginsburg, an association is a group of social beings related to one another by the fact that they possess or have instituted in common an organization with a view to securing a specific end or specific ends. The association may be found in different fields. Since man has many interests, he organizes various associations for the purpose of fulfilling varied interests. He may belong to more than one organization.